day. Welcome to my channel, Sooeylife. I am 53 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. Today I'm going to do a facelifting massage that's for tightening and also facelifting. This massage works really well, and if your concern is sagging skin, it's really good for tightening your skin and good for facelifting. If you want to focus on lifting, and there's 3-minute facelifting and also there's deep facelifting. If you want to tighten your skin fully, and there's a tightening skin video, you can also check it out. Try this one and leave a comment. I'm always very happy to hear from you guys. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, check out the membership videos. And if you want to join, the link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, so when you do this, make sure that it's this way. It's not tapping like this, no, it's this way. So do this for 20 seconds. Next, hold here and with the other hand, the same way, not this way for 10 seconds. Next, switch the side. So hold here, and with the other hand. So for this area, do this for 10 seconds. Next, for this area, tapping. Next, make your hands like this, so from the middle. Do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, same way. So Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. Your middle finger. They're right here. Your middle finger here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, so along your smile lines. Let's do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, here, right here, pull, hold for 10 seconds. One more time.